Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about first expire first out removal strategy where we are going to see how Odoo mechanism works. I am going to take a typical case of a chemical which is purchased in different lot where the expiry date and time are same, but in terms of removal date you can see one lot has a different removal date and other lot has the same removal date. And now you can see the created on means at what time this item came into our warehouse. So you can see one item which has zero quantity right now because we have sold it. Another have 400 and 1000. Okay. Now for this item came one L4 lot number. I have a traceability report which again came into different time. So you can see today only first time the same lot has hit my warehouse with 1000 liter and then 200 liter and 300 liter respectively. So to run a case now I would first like to sell the same item to a customer and see how system will behave. So let's say I have totally 1400 and 1500 means I have almost 2900 liter available at my warehouse and I am trying to sell, let's say 1000 plus 400. Okay, or let me try to sell 500 liter totality. So here I am selling 500 liter and confirm. So now how Odoo will reserve this item? Let's see that. That's the main use case. So here I have shared like once I click check availability, it will reserve the stock. The stock reservation goes it Chem1 L1 lot and Chem1 L3 lot 400 plus 100. Here we can see 400 liter belongs to Chem1 L1. Yes, Chem1 L1, 400 liter and Chem1 L3. So here you can see removal dates are same, expiry dates are same, everything is same, but Odoo has picked up which item came first. So according to this, it registered first, it check the removal date and then it is going to check the created item, means again it is going into first in first out sequence. So you can consider 16, 14, 41 second was the incoming time of this Chem1 L1 and this came after 3 minutes. So that's how Odoo has registered 400 plus 100 from Chem1 L3. You can see, so I am now validating this and delivering that item, and once I refresh this I will have zero stock for this lot number L1, L2 and everything, and L3 has 900. Now in L3 if I am going, I have again 1000 liter which came into the same item, same stock, and here I have two dividers, L3 which is 900 liter and in L4 I have different item which came in different time, but the lot number is same here. So let's see how Odoo will behave here, how it will reserve this stock. So I am duplicating this sales order and let me try to sell something more in terms of 900 plus, let's see, 1500 is there. In 1500 I have this many items. So if I am trying to sell 1000 liter this time, so obviously 900 liter will be reserved from L3 lot. Correct? Let's try that out and check availability. And here L3 has been reserved 900 and from Chem1 L4 it has reserved 100 liter. But those 100 liter are what that we will be able to identify from how it is going out. So here again in L4 I have 3 different items which came at 3 different time stamp. First came at 1618, then 1918, then 1920 hours. So if I validate this shipment, let's see how Odoo has behaved. So here if I refresh, we will check after refreshing this. So L3 has gone 0. Under L4, if I check traceability, it goes out from the same stock 100 liter, but it hasn't divided this one because it is a combined stock. So 1200 and 300 are the combined one. Because of the same lot number, it didn't able to divide the things where exactly it registered from. So the case is clear. The lot and serial number, when you are buying this and you are receiving at your warehouse, Odoo register that timestamp also, and according to that timestamp, Odoo will start delivering the item in case the expiry and removal date and time are same. Okay, so I hope this will help many people who are dealing in such a material or finished good where expiry and removal date are very much important to keep track of each and every item they are dealing in, and how the item are going out based on first expire first out condition. Yeah, thank you very much.